This is a video on how to fill the gouges and scratches in your snowboard, because I did some riding this weekend and I really damaged my board. There's some gravel on the trails, so there's a really deep, like you can see it, and it's just horrible. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a lighter, and you're going to get some p-tex that you can buy at like a snowboard shop. I paid $1 per stick. This was $1. And this scraper was $6, which is probably where they get their money. But anyways, you're going to light this up. Get it real dripping. Got a drip. Do not breathe in the fumes from this. It's highly toxic. Alright, I think it's going. I think it is. Alright, you're going to get something to have it drip on, which was pretty helpful to have, actually. Alright, it looks like it's going to go in a couple seconds. Watch the drip, see how it's flaming as it drips down? Alright, so you're going to put the wax, or this isn't wax, this is p-tex. It's wax mixed with plastic and glue. Again, you can buy it at a snowboard shop for about $1 or $2 maybe, depending on what kind it is. I mean, they have black, if you have a black base on your snowboard. It's a very useful thing to know, because if you ever get big scratches in your board, you'll be good. It's a very useful thing to know how to do. Alright. Now this is a scraper. It's got a good edge on it. Actually, I kind of dulled that edge down. Anyways, I'm going to wait for this to dry. And while we're doing that, let's do a little jig. I think we're good. You're supposed to wait like 15 minutes, but I don't do that. Alright, you're going to get your edge and you're going to scrape off this p-tex. Now, I realize there's a lot of videos. There's not too many videos on YouTube that have a how-to video on how to fix your board here. It's a very useful thing to know how to do. Now, I did not do this, but what helps to do is, see these white pieces? That means that you've hit fiberglass when you scrape it. This board has a protective coating over it, so that is not fiberglass. What you're going to want to do before you actually start filling in your hole, you're going to take off the high spots of the plastic. Some boards are plexiglass, plastic, fiberglass, but all boards are plastic on the bottom. I'm going to look for any serious more scratches. Oh, there's a good one right there. Goodbye.